Today we are going to make Matar Paneer. So first we will hot the pan, and then you can use any cooking oil. In this, when the oil is on the low heat, then you will add the whole spices like bay leaf, clove, this whole black cardamom. This one you have to be crushed. So it will give a very nice flavor. In the meantime, it will get the flavors. So you will see we have a fresh paneer, chop onion, garlic, chop coriander, green peas, tomato puree, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt. We are not making any hospitality touch or any professional touch. So this is a home style. You see, slowly you will get the aroma over here.
You mince it.
In the meantime, you will put the cumin seed to get the nice flavor. Now you will be add chop onion. We are not going to do the onion total brown. When we add the spices, we have to keep in mind, when we add the red chili and turmeric, we have to be add together. And the same time, before it's burned, we have to be add the little water, so it gives a very good golden color. If you put the only red chili first, it will be burned. So we have to be, when we add the spices, we have to be very careful. If you use the red onion instead of white onion, it will be good, because the white onion have lot of water content. So don't use the white onion. It will not give the color, taste and flavor. Try to use the red onion. See, in the meantime, this one, we will keep a space little bit, and we will add the chopped garlic. People, what they will do, they will add the first garlic, then garlic is burned and you will not get the aroma of the garlic. Now like this, onion garlic will be slowly brown, and plus you will get the aroma of the garlic. It will not burn, it will get the taste. See, now slowly the onion color is changed. So we are not going to be make the brown onion. So over here, in this stage, we will start to add the first turmeric. If you put the first red chili, it will be burned. So on top of that, you will put red chili as per your taste. Then we will add fresh dry coriander powder. As I say, when you add the spices, before it burn, you will add the little quantity of water. So like this, spices also not burn, and you will get the good aroma of the spices. You see? Now you have to be stir for the some time. Whatever the onion is not brown, it will be cooked and it will be gel with the spices and all become aroma flavor, garlic flavor, onion flavor. Once the spices is cooked, you will see this slowly it will be start leaving the oil. It means your things are ready. So what you will be do in this, you will add the green peas, because the green peas also get the cook. Now you will add the salt as per the taste. Don't put the too much salt. Sometimes salt is a sharp, so after the cooking also it will be on the higher side. If you feel the salt is less, you will be add at the last minute. Now you will be add the fresh tomato puree. You can use the tomato puree can one, but I will be advised to use the fresh tomatoes. See what a lovely color, aroma also coming very good. I feel it's not necessary this kind of curry you will have with the chapati, bread or anything. You can eat with the rice, you can eat the rice roti. You can even try with the bread also. You see what a beautiful color comes. Now we will add the water. So once it will be like this, after the boil, keep it on the simmer and cover for the 5 minutes. Cover for the 5 minutes and let it be simmer. So you will see whatever the spices, aroma and all these things, green peas will be observed and it will give nice spices, all will be cooked and settle with the your green peas. You see what a lovely color came. Now you can be, some people will do the cottage cheese paneer is fried and then add. I will not advise to be fry and this one, because you will lose all the nutrition. So add the raw cottage cheese and add it in this. When you add the cottage cheese, we will not stir too much. You see over here is simmering very nicely. If this thing you will be stir too much, so cottage cheese